Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you turn off your Owlet base station sound. So here's a guide for your app settings, volume control, and night mode. Step 1. Mute your non-emergency alerts. You can turn off your sounds for reminders like loose socks or connection issues. Open the Owlet Dream app, then tap Account and select your device. Go to Base Station Preferences or Notifications. Set yellow and blue alert sounds to off or low. Note: red emergency alerts cannot be turned off. Step 2. Stop monitoring for the night. To prevent the base station from making any monitoring sounds, press and hold the base station button for about 3 seconds. Release it when you hear a chirp. The light ring will turn off and monitoring will stop. Step 3. Turn off the sensor for travel or storage. If you are traveling or not using the device, you can power down the sensor completely. Unplug the base station and remove the sensor. Press and hold the base station button while plugging the power cord back in. Keep holding until the base station glows orange and chirps for 4 times. Quickly press the button once, you will hear one chirp and the sensor light will turn off. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.